जय श्री माता जी। हे आदिशक्ति माँ, हे देवी, हे महामाया, कृपा करके ये ध्यान और मेडिटेशन के मंच पर पधारिए और सभी संतों को, सभी शुद्धात्मा को परम चेतनित कीजिए। परम पूज्य श्री माता जी, आज का ध्यान आप खुद करा लीजिए और हमें ध्यान का स्थिति, निर्विचारिता स्थिति प्रदान कीजिए माँ। परम पूज्य श्री माता जी, सारे विश्व की सभी संत आपके श्री चरण में एकत्रित हुई है, कृपा करके आप पधारिए। परम पूज्य श्री माता जी, आपके श्री चरण कमल पर कोटि कोटि नमन। कुंडली उठा के बंधन लेंगे। तीनों महामंत्र। ओम तमेव साक्षात् श्री महालक्ष्मी महासरस्वती महाकाली त्रिगुणात्मिका कुंडली साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माता जी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। ओम तमेव साक्षात् श्री कल्की साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माता जी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। ओम तमेव साक्षात् श्री कल्की साक्षात् श्री सहस्रार स्वामिनी मोक्ष प्रदायिनी माता जी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। गणेश मंत्र। ओम तमेव साक्षात् श्री गणेश साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माता जी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। दोनों हाथ खुला हुआ परम पूज्य श्री माता जी के सामने, श्री माता जी के बिंदी को देखते हुए अपने मन के अंदर, अपने हृदय के अंदर अच्छे अच्छे चिंता लाते हुए परम पूज्य श्री माता जी कृपा करके आपके श्री चरण कमल की शीतलता हमारे हृदय पर प्रदान कीजिए। परम पूज्य श्री माता जी, हम अज्ञानी हैं, हमारी अज्ञानता के बस में यदि आपकी शान के खिलाफ कोई गलती हुआ हो, कृपा करके आप मुझे क्षमा कर दीजिए माँ। अपना हृदय में परम पूज्य श्री माता जी की श्री चरण की शीतलता महसूस करते हुए धीरे धीरे चित्त को मूलाधार चक्र पर परम पूज्य श्री माता जी, आप ही तो प्रभु गणेश है। कृपा करके हमारे शरीर के अंदर तीनों नाड़ी सातों चक्र में समस्त दोषों को, समस्त रोगों को दूर कीजिए। हे प्रभु गणेश, कृपा करके आप हमारे अंदर आइए। हे आदिशक्ति माँ, हम कभी अतीत में चला जाते हैं, कभी भविष्य में चला जाते हैं। कृपा करके अतीत और भविष्य को छोड़ के हमें वर्तमान में स्थापित कीजिए। वर्तमानी धर्म है माँ, वर्तमानी सच है। कृपा करके हमें वर्तमान में स्थापित कर दीजिए। हम सारे समय, सारे पल, सारे दिन परम चैतन्य माँ के साथ चलते रहते हैं। हमारे सांसें, हमारे जीवन, हमारे समय इस चैतन्य लहरी के साथ, इस चैतन्य लहरी की शक्ति से चलते हैं, जो कि हम सहयोग से ही श्री माता जी के पास से प्राप्त हुई है। धीरे धीरे चित्त को तीनों स्वादिष्ठान को देखेंगे। तीनों नाभि, लेफ्ट नाभि, परम पूज्य श्री माता जी, कृपा करके आप गृहलक्ष्मी जी के रूप में हमारे लेफ्ट नाभि पर आइए और समस्त दोषों को, समस्त रोगों को दूर कीजिए। लेफ्ट नाभि को सहस्त्रार के साथ जोड़ेंगे। फिर चित्त को राइट नाभि, परम पूज्य श्री माता जी, कृपा करके आप हमारी राइट नाभि पर श्री राज लक्ष्मी जी के रूप में पधारिए। समस्त दोषों को, समस्त रोगों को दूर कीजिए। फिर धीरे धीरे चित्त को मध्य नाभि, परम पूज्य श्री माता जी, आप ही ने तो हमें संतोष प्रदान की है, आप ही ने तो हमें उदार बनाया है। कृपा करके लक्ष्मी नारायण जी के रूप में हमारे मध्य नाभि पर आइए और चैतन्यित कीजिए। फिर धीरे धीरे चित्त को सहस्त्रार के साथ जुड़ेंगे। फिर तीनों हृदय, लेफ्ट हृदय, परम पूज्य श्री माता जी, आपकी परम कृपा में तो हम शुद्ध आत्मा है। फिर राइट हृदय, फिर मध्य हृदय, विशुद्धि, राइट विशुद्धि, लेफ्ट विशुद्धि, परम पूज्य श्री माता जी, आपकी परम कृपा में हम संपूर्ण निर्दोष है माँ। मध्य विशुद्धि, फ्रंट आज्ञा, बैक आज्ञा, सहस्त्रार। परम पूज्य श्री माता जी, हमारे अंदर अहंकार, पति अहंकार को दूर करके हमारे सहस्त्रार पर आइए, समस्त ब्रह्मरंध को खोल दीजिए। परम पूज्य श्री माता जी, हमें निर्विचारिता स्थिति, ध्यान का सिद्ध दीजिए। सहस्त्रार के साथ एक एक चक्र को जोड़ेंगे। मूलाधार, स्वादिष्ठान, नाभि, हृदय, विशुद्धि, आज्ञा, संपूर्ण चित्त सहस्त्रार पर रखेंगे। परम पूज्य श्री माता जी, हमारे ऊपर ऐसी कृपा कीजिए ताकि आपकी वाणी को हम सहस्त्रार से ग्रहण कर सके। संपूर्ण चित्त सहस्त्रार पर परम पूज्य श्री माता जी को अमृत बनी हम सहस्त्रार से ग्रहण करेंगे।
Surrender is the opening of Sahasrara. Keeping it completely open. So that the Nirvikalpa state is established within us. There should be a regular progress of improvement. Regular progress of the opening. Have you ever seen any lotus or any flower that blooms, and in between again does not bloom, then collapses, then blooms? Have you ever seen such a nonsensical phenomena in the nature? You come up, again you go down, again you come up, you go down. Have you ever seen a tree that comes up, again goes inside the mud, again it comes up, again goes back into the mud, blaming other people? Have you seen any animal which starts growing, then it becomes a dwarf, again it grows, again it becomes a dwarf? Even these huge palaces which have been built so beautifully for us, do you see that they become small suddenly and then collapse? And then again they blow up. Only the balloon of ego and superego does that. And when you are identified with them, you too become very peculiar personalities. The lotus of your Sahasrara is open now. It must open more and more and more, and should not suddenly collapse, again open, again collapse. It's a very complicated phenomena. You can see in the West, and you can be very much surprised sometimes. To me, it's sometimes very shocking to see. Suddenly someone will come, oh, I'm very nervous about this thing, I'm very nervous about that. Another person will come and tell me, I want to leave Sahaja Yoga now. Another one come and tells me, Oh, it's too much, I cannot go any further with it. So we must realize that there is something very peculiar within us, something absurd within us. That's why it happens. We go forward, backwards all the time. What is this pendulum? That cannot be Sahasrara. Sahasrara is not a pendulum. It is a lotus. So the pendulum is the chitta, is the attention. The attention that moves from left to right, right to left, goes on like that all the time. But the area of Sahasrara is the realm of God. When the Brahmarandhra opens fully, then the heavens open within yourself. The Kundalini, which has risen up and given you realization, creates that subtle opening by which the divine starts pouring all its subtleties inside your brain. But if you are pressing it from both the sides with these balloons, sometimes opening, sometimes closing, sometimes opening, the divine recedes its attention. You must know that. The attention is receded back, and if it is done many a times, the divine doesn't bother. So it is you who has to achieve that state, and all of us can achieve that state of Nirvikalpa. In that there is just progression. After Nirvikalpa you cannot come down. If somebody is still going up and down, he should know he is still not up to the point, and he should face up to himself and tell himself or herself that no, I have to be into Nirvikalpa where I do not come down. The people who are not in the Nirvikalpa state are not going to be saved. I am very sorry to say that. They are not going to be saved. They will be punished. May not be in the same way those who are not realized souls, but they will not occupy the seats in the realm of God Almighty. At least you must reach the state of Nirvikalpa. Do not blame any circumstance. Do not blame your father, mother, brother, atmosphere, this, that. There's no need to blame anyone. Because somebody came, we were influenced. What is the matter with you? I am here. You are not influenced by me. How are you influenced by somebody who is so stupid, obviously, so dominating? That means what is your level? So tomorrow I have decided to tell you how to be at the state of Nirvikalpa. As I said, we can approach mentally. But mentally if I say you take this medicine and you do not take the medicine, that is just a mental thing, the medicine is kept on the cupboard. You are just the same, and then you say, Mother, yes, we listened to your lecture. So the keynote of tomorrow's puja, as I have decided, that you have to be at the Nirvikalpa state. We can say this Sahasra day is a very big day, because I never threw such an ultimatum before. Because now we are established as Vishwadharma, as the universal religion. We are not like other religions where after the death of the incarnations people started the religion and did whatever they wanted to do with that. In our living time, we are going to make ourselves that instrument which will represent the Vishwadharma. We have to have strong deities within ourselves. We have weakened them by all mistakes, doesn't matter. They are weak because traditionally we haven't got the strength. Doesn't matter. But now this religion has been established. We cannot have black spots. Anymore. We've done all the choosing, the training, everything. And you all have to jump into the boat now. There's no more time left for us to dilly-dally. Those who will be left behind will be left behind. It's a very intense period now, you must understand. The intensity of the period is not by the way. It's not anymore Sahajog, it is Mahayoga now. And you have to become Maha, you have to become great, otherwise you cannot be there. You have to jump out. Of all these things, tomorrow I'll try whatever is possible on my side. I'll work it out. It's a serious matter, I must tell you, that once I have established the religion, I don't want to have any holes in it. I avoided it because I was not sure. Now, I know for sure that there are many who could be called as Nirmalites. Because no more black spots. On the beautiful sari of your mother. It has to be absolutely highest quality. Gradually we used to drop out people, gradually worked out this, there's no time left now. As I have told you, I am going back to India. Tomorrow I'll be able to tell you how gradually you have got up to your Sahasrara, and to get to Nirvikalpa, you have to really dedicate yourself fully. It's not a matter of convenience to come to Sahaja Yoga. It's a Sahasrara day. You have to cross the Himalayas. If you read the lives of the people who tried to travel up to Kailasha, you will know what hardships they have gone through. I have taken you very sweetly, delicately up to that point. But don't get spoiled by that. You will all fizzle out into thin air unless and until you are in the Nirvikalpa state. I'm sorry I have to say that here in Austria. This is the place which should demarcate the end of our journey to left and right. Because my husband is like that, my wife is like that, because my child is like this, you are not going to be excused. Whom are you telling? Your own spirit? Tell your spirit. Does it understand? It takes away your vibrations. It takes away your joy. It takes away your position. Nirvichara is very easy to establish. But that also some people have not. What about Nirvikara? You have to take it up very seriously. This may be the last Sahasrara day we are celebrating in Europe. Maybe. I don't know. It's not that mother is only happy if there are people of higher qualification or higher caliber. It's not that. I have very great concern for those who are lost, who are left out. But sometimes, through my experience, I think such people get spoiled. My love is not for spoiling you, is not for ruining you. It is for your emancipation. It's for you to enjoy the beauty of God's blessings on you. Even now, if there are people who are not righteous, who are not truthful, who are not virtuous at the dharma stage, then what can I talk to them? And then, if they are not even the spirit, then what am I to do with them? The ideologies, the talking, the discussions and arguments do not lead you there. No, they do not. It's meditation. What is meditation is actually facing yourself and correcting yourself with the full understanding as to what you are. We have to create ideal human beings. That is what is the Vishwa Dharma. Otherwise we have many dharmas going on. So many religious activities in the name of all the great incarnations, which are nowhere near the incarnations, just the opposite of it. This Nirvikalpa state has to be established once for all. So I don't have to then struggle with you. The group of people who will attend tomorrow Sahasrara should be able to establish that state. Otherwise they are just like the people who are newcomers. They are coming for the first time or 10 times or 11 times or 100 times. What difference does it make? To me, it is clear cut. I have short time because the instrument has to be all right. If you have to expedite the growth of the instrument in a proper way so that the God of love, God's love flows and the God of that love feels happy about it, we have to create such beautiful flowers that he appreciates. That he does not destroy. The spectator of this play has to be satisfied so that he postpones his destruction. That's why I said the time is short. Time is very short. If we want our children to grow into the realm of God, there are great saints who are born. If we want to give them a full chance of the enjoyment, then let us first of all become proper parents. And not people who just live with illusions. Everything in Sahaja Yoga cannot be explained. I cannot explain. I cannot, because you don't have those powers to understand. Like Gregor said, Mother, I want to have the sun. Because people told him the weekend will be terrible, there won't be any sun. Within 15 minutes, the sun was shining. Within 15 minutes. The wind started blowing, all the clouds settled round Vienna beautifully like a Sahasrara, and the sky opened as I want your Sahasrara to be open. All the nature is so anxious to work it out. But you must learn to cooperate with your spirit. It's not a cooperation that is just by the way. It is to be the spirit, the becoming of the spirit fully. Is very important. Nothing should stop that. I hope today's announcement will help all of us to have that understanding of our responsibilities towards ourselves and towards our Creator. It's nice to praise me for my love. It's nice to praise me for whatever has happened, but to be very frank, I do not know if you are praising me. I do not feel the praise because I am myself. I am not myself. I see myself as separate. And then I tell myself that, see, you are Adi Shakti, all right, but you have spoiled your children. You have not done full justice to them. They take everything so easy and mundane. So, you have to tomorrow take a vow within your heart. It's not the words that are important. It has to be living action of your being that should prove, that should convince you that we are fully surrendered. And the effects of that you will feel in your own personality, in your own being, in your own manifestation. With so many saints, why should I have any worry of spreading of Sahaja Yoga? Because there are some who drag you down. There are some adamant people, and there are some still who are possessed. There are some who are murmuring souls. Just don't pay any attention to them. They'll be all lost. Doesn't matter. We have to create the great day for us to be proud that we belong to this great religion of truth. There has been no religion so far which is the religion of truth. It practices something and preaches something, and it has nothing to do with the incarnation. You have to do something that people should say, we see our mother in this person. Today is a day when I want to bless some children. I've blessed many children. I would like to bless all the parents also, to understand that they have to contribute a lot for the upbringing of the children. There have been some very good tapes they have made in England, how to help the children to grow properly in this crazy Western life. And the one who has been the greatest enemy of yours worked in this place. He is the one who has ruined you, and you had to commit sin against the Holy Ghost, sin against your mother. Now, at this time, in this place, we have to turn our face to all that was the past and ascend into the new realm of bliss and joy. I assure you that with your dedication, it will work out. But just think in your mind, what have we sacrificed so far? No sacrifice is sufficient. But have we sacrificed anything. That will make you understand that your mother has given you your second birth without any difficulties. She's taken up all the labor pains upon herself. Now you are grown up and you have to understand that now you are grown up people and you can't behave like children. That is over now. Now you are grown up people, you have to become responsible for this Mahayoga and for this great dharma that we have established. The dharma that integrates all the dharmas, the dharma that purifies anybody who comes near, is the ocean of all the rivers. All the rivers flow to this great ocean of Vishwadharma. So we have to mold ourselves to be fit into the new pattern, the new rhythms, the new music of divine flute. Unless and until that happens, I do not think that Western people have much chances. If you have come for Sahasrara, be prepared. Tomorrow I would like to work out as much as possible. I am working 24 hours. Not a single minute I waste. And in the same way, I hope you will dedicate your 24 hours for your emancipation and the emancipation of the whole universe. May God bless you all.
नमो नमो श्री निर्मल माता, नमो नमो श्री निर्मल माता, नमो नमो श्री निर्मल माता। मोक्षदायिनी हे परमेश्वरी, मोक्षदायिनी हे परमेश्वरी, मोक्षदायिनी। मोक्षदायिनी हे परमेश्वरी, हृदय निवासिनी नमो नमः हृदय निवासिनी नमो नमः नमो नमो श्री निर्मल माता नमो नमो सहस्त्र कमल पर तुझको पाया सहस्त्र कमल पर तुझको पाया आ, आ, सहस्र कमल पर तुझको पाया सहस्र कमल पर तुझको पाया सात चक्र पर विजय दिलाया सात चक्र पर विजय दिलाया ब्रह्म ज्ञान से हमें मिलाया ब्रह्म ज्ञान से 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 हमें मिलाया नमो नमो श्री निर्मल माता 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 नमो 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 ॐ त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री सहस्रार स्वामिनी मोक्ष प्रदायिनी माताजी श्री निर्मला देवे नमो नमः नमो नमः नमो नमः।
संपूर्ण ध्यान का स्थिति इस ध्यान का स्थिति पत्थर दे रहेंगे। परम पूज्य श्री माता जी परम चैतन्य अनुभव करते रहेंगे। दोनों हाथों पे सहस्त्रार पे परम पूज्य श्री माता जी आज अपने ध्यान करा के जो परम चैतन्य अनुभव कराया इसके लिए मैं आपको कोटि कोटि नमन। कुंडली उठा के बंधन लेंगे।